Experience full-time freedom with the Baby Montana A-Frame RV, compact yet complete.
One I call the Baby Montana. This one is got the A-frame on the side. You can see the bed inside of it. It's a super cool park model built on a tri-axle trailer. It's 10 foot by 20 foot. And this thing is just super cool. Talk about something you could live in this thing full time. Wait till you see the inside, guys. You could live in this thing full time. You got the Bosch Mini split. There's your trailer hitch. And I love it. This thing's got a shower inside. You got a toilet inside. It's got everything you need and nothing you don't, okay? Look at that. You got the skylights up there, one on each side, and you can close those up, by the way. Keep the sun out of your eyes. You got that ribbed, premium rib metal on it, and then you got the metal roof. Just a super cool park model RV to go camping in, right? I just think this thing is awesome. So here soon we're going to be taking it out and actually going camping with it, just to kind of show you how it is to stay in it for the evening. But today I'm going to do another video of it here, just kind of showing you how cool this thing is. Again, it's 10 foot wide by 20 foot long. So 10 by 20. Let's take you inside the one I call the Baby Montana. Again, hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow button, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content. So as you can see, when you walk in, straight ahead, you got this little, you got your little privacy door here. Let me lock that up so I can do the grand entrance. So you got your privacy door that leads into your, it's a half bath, but you got your shower in there and you got your toilet. And of course, you got your kitchenette right over here. Over here where these business cards are is typically where folks will put your little 2-burner induction stove. So that way you can do your cooking. You got the under the counter refrigerator. You got your Bosch Mini split for your heating and cooling. You got your double pane Anderson windows. So those are Anderson windows. Got your little ledge, microwave. There's your little GFI. Okay, nice size sink. And again, I just love it, guys, because again, it's everything you need and nothing you don't. You got your some more closet space there. I'll take you in the bathroom here in a second. One of the things that caught my attention when I first walked into this is I love how I'm a tall fella, guys. I'm 6'6", okay? And my head ain't nowhere near hitting the top of this cabin. So if you're a tall fella, I mean, this thing is awesome. I can walk all the way down the middle of this and my head is nowhere near hitting the top of this thing. So that's the big thing with me being tall is I love a high ceiling to where I don't feel like I'm being squished. And so right when you walk in this front door, that was the first thing I noticed. I'm like, man, those ceilings are high for how small this unit is. I got a lot of space up here. You know what I mean? I could stay in here full time, no problem. So the next test I had was me being a tall fella. Let's go in the bathroom and see if the shower is big enough for a big guy like me. Well, check this out. Again, you kind of got that shed style roof up there. So again, I'm 6'6", y'all. I can stand in this shower, no problem, and take me a shower in here. And look at that. My head ain't nowhere near hitting the top of this. I got all kinds of elbow room in here and everything where I can sit in here, take me a full-blown shower, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I got all kinds of space in here, guys. I love it. I can stretch my elbows out, take me a shower, get nice and clean. I can handle business on the commode if need be. Look, even above that, you got your little more cabinet space. Again, you got a smaller unit, right? So no space is wasted. So there you go. And then again, you see you got your double pane Anderson windows. Those are real Anderson windows, by the way. Double pane, easy clean Anderson windows, vinyl. So there's your light switches, okay? And that controls your fan and your light up there. So you got, again, it's self-contained. You've seen these units before where they got this set up like this, but they don't have a restroom in them. Well, that ain't gonna work for me. I want a restroom. I don't want to have to go join a gym to take a shower, or, you know, go to a rest area to use the bathroom. If I'm pulling this on my truck, I want to be able to know, hey, I can go to the RV park, or maybe you got your own holding tank, right? And you can handle business, no problem. You can connect your water, take a shower, no problem. You know what I'm saying? You don't have, it's self-contained. I love it because it's got everything you need and nothing you don't. Okay, there's your remote control for your mini split. There's your fire extinguisher. And again, Bosch is a really nice system. This one unit right here, and it, with it being an open concept like this, that's going to do the job, keeping it nice and cool in the summer and nice and toasty in the winter. Remember, you could also put a little electric heater, or maybe you put you another mini split if you want, if you're cold natured, whatever the case may be. And look at these skylights, guys. Isn't that cool? It's got the retractable closure as well, so you can close those off if you don't want all that sun coming in, or during the day, leave them wide open. And of course, the signature piece is that end cap there where you got your A-frame glass window, so when you're sitting on your bed, look at your views. Isn't that beautiful? Look at your views, guys. And by the way, that is a queen size bed for reference. So you got all kinds of space on that bed. Okay, there's your electrical panel. Over here, you got your outlets. Now remember, one of the customers we just sold one of these to said they were gonna do is, instead of having the bed, they're gonna do one of them fold out couches. So during the day, it'll fold up into a couch, and then at night they fold it up into a bed. That way they can maximize their square footage and livable space, and put them a little dining room table and all of that here. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Look how beautiful that window is, just looking out there. Look at your views. You know what I'm saying? Isn't that beautiful? Again, they really maximize. There's your electrical outlets. Beautiful LVP floors. They really maximize this space. I mean, it's 10 foot by 20 foot, but it feels like it's about 14 by 40. Because again, it's all about the design, the way that it's designed. So if you're a baby boomer or a Gen Xer, do me a favor, comment Gen X or boomer below. I'm a 1979 Gen Xer. So I like to see I got my people watching me, not just the young bucks. So do me a favor, comment, hit the like, hit the share, hit the subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my future content. And comment below. Let me know what you think about this one, good, bad, or ugly. All those comments do is help us improve and help us come up with new ideas that you guys are going to love to help the company grow. So we love getting some comments and folks interacting with these videos. Okay. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. This is called the Baby Montana A-frame. It's only $79.9. We ship it nationwide, all over the United States, or you see it, it's on a trailer. Bring your truck and come pull it away, and just like that, you got a place to stay. Again, come pull it away, boom, you got a place to stay. You can live in this full time, no problem. No problem. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Let me do one more walkthrough outside of it and show you what the outside of it looks like one more time. There's our Barrington, our Bella Park model. I've walked through those before if you want to have a look at them. And remember too, you could change the color. Maybe you want yours black on black, or maybe you want to go with like a D-log siding, give it more of a rustic look. Maybe you want a different roof color. Maybe you want that laser blue roof on top, so in case them fires come back, your home won't burn down. Go with the laser blue. Again, guys, this is the Baby Montana A-frame RV park model, or park model RV, built by the Amish Mennonites. We ship them nationwide, or you can come pick it up. It's on a trailer. We're running about 3 months on building these right now. It's been very popular. The ultimate camper cabin. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't, for $79.9. Give us a call at 812-595-4033. Again, that's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in ordering this one, we can have one custom built for you in 4 months or less. Again, 10 foot by 20 foot. You got the rib metal siding and the 26 gauge metal roof. Built by the Amish and the Mennonites. We ship them nationwide. Let me scoot back real quick so you can kind of see what it looks like from a distance. There you go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Again, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. You can ask for me, OC, aka the Cabin Cowboy. We're located at 677 South Cardinal Lane here in Scottsburg, Indiana. These are built by the Amish and the Mennonites. We ship them nationwide. The link is in the bio. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. Okay? Again, don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the share, hit the follow so you don't miss any of my future content. And let us know below, comment below, let us know what you know and what you think about this cabin here we call a Baby Montana A-frame park model RV. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy. Love y'all. Be blessed. Come back and see me anytime.